What's up guys, this is Average Cracker with a video of my exhaust. Yeah, everything's in, it fits pretty well. I mean, it's melting a little bit of the plastic, well it did anyways, not anymore so much. But this is the control for that. When I hit open, oh, it is open, duh. Okay, so when I hit close, it sounds different. So that's closed during idle, and then this is gonna be open. And oddly enough, I think it sounds better when it's closed in idle, but when you're driving, it definitely sounds better open. Mustang. Oh yeah, I just remembered that I found this out the other day. When you press and hold unlock, yeah, the window's open. Safety first. Let's get to it and hope that the camera doesn't fall off the front. Hopefully you guys can hear from the microphone in the back. I don't know why I'm yelling. I have the lavalier mic on. But yeah, hopefully you guys can hear it in the back. And hopefully the camera doesn't fall off in the front. I'm gonna open it up actually, so we can hear it from the house. No, just so you can hear a difference, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Now it's not overly quiet, but it's nice, especially on highway speeds where when it's open it's just yelling the whole time because you're still on 3,000 RPMs. So that's great. On deceleration, you definitely hear it's still got this nice rumble to it, this deep sort of tone. And then there's a perfect example, and I'll open it back up. Drop it down a gear. Close it up. Down a gear. Accelerate. Open it back up. And there you can hear it super loud. Especially on deceleration. Go and rotate. perfect for the highway. Open it back up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the audio came out good, and look for the next one. Hopefully pretty soon I'll get some new tires, which will be interesting to review. Talk about my previous ones, which are on the car right now. Yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and see you around.